Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about MySQL, features, scalability, performance, security, additions, tools, and utilities. Let's enjoy. MySQL is an open-source relational database management system, RDBMS, developed by Oracle Corporation. It is one of the most popular databases in the world, known for its ease of use, reliability, and scalability. Here's an overview of MySQL. 1. Features. Ease of use. MySQL is known for its simplicity and ease of installation, configuration, and administration, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Scalability. MySQL is highly scalable and can handle large volumes of data and high traffic loads. It supports clustering, replication, and sharding to distribute workload and ensure performance scalability. Performance. MySQL is optimized for performance, with features such as indexing, caching, and query optimization to improve query execution time and resource utilization. Security. MySQL provides robust security features, including user authentication, access control, encryption, and auditing, to protect data from unauthorized access and breaches. High availability. MySQL offers features such as MySQL replication, MySQL group replication, and MySQL InnoDB cluster to ensure high availability and data redundancy, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous access to data. Community support. MySQL has a large and active community of users, developers, and contributors who collaborate on the development and maintenance of MySQL. Community support is available through forums, mailing lists, and online documentation. Compatibility. MySQL is compatible with various operating systems, including Linux, Windows, macOS, and Unix-based systems. It also supports multiple programming languages and development frameworks. Editions. MySQL is available in several editions, including MySQL Community Edition, Open Source, and MySQL Enterprise Edition, Commercial, each offering different features and support options. The Community Edition is free to use and suitable for small to medium-sized deployments, while the Enterprise Edition provides additional features, support, and services for enterprise-grade deployments. Tools and utilities. MySQL comes with a set of tools and utilities for database administration, development, and monitoring. These include MySQL Workbench, GUI tool, MySQL Shell, command line interface, MySQL Utilities, and MySQL Enterprise Monitor, among others. Platform support. MySQL runs on various operating systems, including Linux, Windows, macOS, and FreeBSD. It is also supported on cloud platforms such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and Microsoft Azure, as well as containerized environments such as Docker and Kubernetes. Licensing. MySQL Community Edition is released under the GNU General Public License, GPL, which allows free use, modification, and distribution of the software. MySQL Enterprise Edition is a commercial product and requires a subscription for access to additional features, support, and services. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.